Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 20 from chapter 31 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to write the complete decay equation for the given nuclide using complete notation, and we can refer to the periodic table. And we need to write the equation for beta plus decay of iron that has a mass number of 52. So let's make a list of what we know. Okay, we know we have Fe52. We know that A is 52. From the chem table, Z is 26. And we know Fe is iron. A is equal to Z plus N. So N is A minus Z. And so N is going to be 52 minus 26, giving us an N of 26. Okay, the beta plus decay equation is we start with A, Z, element X with N neutrons. It goes to A stays the same. Subtract 1 for Z. Our daughter is Y. And we gain a neutron. We have a beta plus particle and a neutrino. Okay, so we can use that to fill in our equation. So Ra is 52. Our Z we looked up and found it was 26. For X we have iron, and we calculated iron has 26 neutrons. So the two subscripts need to add up to the superscript. Okay, from this we're going to same A, same 52, but Z gets reduced by 1, so that's going to be 25. And on the periodic table, that is manganese, which is Mn. And then we see that our neutrons increases by 1, so we're going from 26 up to 27. Then we have our beta plus particle and our neutrino, and that is our answer. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.